Good morning, ma. How are you, beta? You all had breakfast? Okay. We all completed the second chapter, addition, and already I told you problems also I explained in the last video. 4 sums problems over in 2 videos, word problems also, how to identify addition problems and how to write the steps. That everything I told you in the last class only. Now, how to answer in your smart book. Already this chapter is completed. You must answer in the smart book too. Okay? Max place is there. In the first one, let's try one is there. In this let's try one, 3 sums are there. That 3 sums you answer here only. Here so much place is there. The first one, page number 44. Let's try one. Let's try one. The first one is there. 224 plus 163 is there. Here place is there. Just you add it and write the answer. Already you all know how to add it. 224 you write and 3 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Just add it. This is the ones, this is the tens and this is the hundreds. Add first ones place, 4 in the mind, 3 on the fingers, 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 here. Then add the tens place, 2 and 6. 2 in the mind, 6 on the fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 and add the hundreds place, 2 and 1. 2 in the mind, 1 on the finger, 2 after, 3. Just directly you can add it like this. Don't draw the blocks or anything. Okay? Write like this. Here 3 are there. This A, B, C you do here only. Place is there, here only you can do. And the second one is the find any 5 pair of numbers that can be added to make 100. Any 5 pairs. The second one, any 5 pairs making us 100. Already I explained this. 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40 is 100. Same like that. Another one also you must write. 70 plus 30 is also a 100. And some another one. Tell me another one. 50 plus 50 is also a 100. Another one what? 80 plus 20 is also 100. This 100, answer 100. If you add like this or like this or like this or like this in any way, you will get the answer as 100. Right? 5 different ways. If the sum is 100, to make it 100. Find any 5 pair of numbers that can be added to make 100. Like this 5 pair, your own numbers you can take, any numbers. If you add the 2 numbers, you must get 100. That is the second one. Complete that. Okay. Now go to the second exercise. Let's try to. Here the addition I gave you. Here the small addition you only can do. Add it and write the answer. And the second bit, here also additions are there. 4 digit numbers are there. 4 digit number additions are there. That also you answer it. Okay. Here I write. Here 4 digit number 4216 and 6175. You add it. Already you all know. Start from the ones place. How you will add it? First 6 in the mind, 5 on the fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Write 1 here and 1 put the carry and add these 2 numbers first. 1 in the mind, 7 on the fingers, 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and add the carry, 8 in the mind, 1 on the finger, 8 after, 9. Write 9 here and add these 2. 2 in the mind, 1 on the finger, 2 after, 3. Write that. And then add the thousands place, 4 and 6. 4 in the mind, 6 on the fingers, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last answer right here only. And after 3 digit put comma, the answer is 10,391. Like this, you must add these all. Total 6 sums I gave you. Complete the 6 sums in the smart book only. Okay. Now see page number 47. These additions are there. Row wise additions are there. Third bit 4623 plus 8400 367. Like this they will arrange it in column and added. Here you must write in a column wise. Down place also there. Here only you can write. Here down place is there. So you can write here only. No need to write in the classroom. Okay. Now down you write 4. Finger space you keep. 6, 2, 3. Some gap should be there. Far away you write 4. You write little bit far away 6. Then gap you leave it and write 2 and 3. Then write the next number. Start from the ones place. Here 7, here 6, here 4 and here 8. Then add this one. I think you all know how to add it also. Start from the ones place. 3 in the mind. 7 on the fingers. Take 7 fingers. Take 7 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 you put carry and 0 you write. Now add the tens place 2 and 6. 2 in the mind, 6 on the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and add carry also. 8 in the mind, 1 on the finger, 8 after 9. Write 9 here in the tens place. Now see in the hundreds place. 6 and 4 you add it. 6 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 you put carry here and 0 in the hundreds place. And the tens place carry you can cut it off. Now add the thousands place. 4 and 8. 4 in the mind, 8 on the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 12 in the mind, 1 on the finger. 12 after 30. Right? 30 here. Ones, tens, 100. After 3 digit put comma. 13,090. 13,090 is the answer. Like that you write the numbers and do. Suppose if 3 numbers are there, how to do? That also I will tell you. Here. These are 9,367 plus 462 plus 82. If like this is there, down place is there in your book. First you write the first number 9,367. Okay. Now when you are writing the second number, start writing from ones place. Already I told you, once again I am telling. When you are writing the second number, start writing from ones place. Here 2, 6 and 4. And no thousands place, don't write. If there is no number, you can put 0. Now write the next number. Here 2 and here 8. And in the hundreds place and the thousands place put 0, no number. Now add it. How you add also I will tell you. Here start from the ones place. First you add these two. 7 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. 7 after 8, 9. That 9 you keep in your mind. 9 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. 9 after 10, 11. So 1 here you put and 1 in the ones place. Now add the tens place. 6 in the mind, 6 on the fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 keep in your mind. 12 in the mind, 8 on the fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 and add carry also. 20 in the mind, 1 on the finger. 20 after 21. That 21 makes 2 here in the hundreds place, 1 in the tens place. And cut this number. Okay ma? Now add hundreds place. 3 and 4 you add. 3 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 plus 0 is 7 only. 0 makes nothing. That 7 add 2. 7 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 9 is a single digit number. Right here, no carry here. So this carry we added, cut it off. Now add the thousands place. 9 plus 0 is 9 only. 9 plus 0 is 9 only. After 3 digits, put comma. 9,911 is the answer. Okay ma? I think you understood this. Now same like that, you complete these 5 sums. And the next is the interesting fact. That also I explained. If you here 2 numbers are there, this is suppose 2,357 plus 1,000. 1876, that is equal to 1876 plus dash. Here whichever the properties I explained also. Interesting fact, here you go through these points and answer this one. Here whichever the number is not there, that number you must write. Here 1876 is there, after is equal to here this number is there. So which number is not there? This number. So write here 2357. Okay ma, like that all fill in the blanks I gave you. Go through it and answer all the fill in the blanks. Now turn the page. Here word problems are there. Already I explained the word problems. You go through that videos and answer here only in the smart book. Okay. Now next turn the page. Here 44 addition sums I gave you. Already I explained all addition sums. You start doing this. First you complete all 44 and go through it. Go through it 2 times whether your answer is correct or wrong. Check it 2-3 times. Okay. I think you all understood this second chapter addition and complete in your smart book also. Okay ma. Thank you.